Good morning.
Good morning.
It is our last day at Disneyland today. So we are just on our way to reception to drop our bags off, and then we're obviously going to go to the parks and stretch out that time as much as possible. We've been doing really well for like food in the mornings. We've been going to the Starbucks because there is a Starbucks in the Santa Fe Hotel, which is very nice. So we're going to go there, and then we're going to head off to the parks for a few hours, and then it's time to go home. It's time for our last walk to the parks. Well, we have picked up Rob and Josh as well. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. It is raining again today, which hopefully might work in our favour, because we did find yesterday that the parks started to get a bit quieter because of the weather. So kind of hoping that might happen again today. The rain isn't as bad just yet. I don't know how rainy it's meant to get, but we did find that the parks did get a little bit quieter when the rain was really bad. So we'll see.
Warlocks and witches, answer this call. Your presence is wanted at this ghostly ball.
Playful spirits have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated. We will proceed shortly. We have been unavoidably detained by prankish spirits. Please remain seated. We will continue our tour momentarily. Good news! The spirits have decided to resume your tour at once. Remain seated, please.
Welcome, but beware of hitchhiking ghosts. Welcome, foolish mortals.
we're just looking at this pin stand, which is on the right hand side of Main Street, and we're just outside of Victoria's Homestyle restaurant. And I don't know if you can hear it in the background because the music might be too loud, but you can hear someone like getting ready, like brushing their teeth, just singing along. It's really, really cute. I just love the extra touches that they do. But I believe it's this one here that the noises have been coming from. So I've just been stood here for a little bit, just listening to the little weird noises it's making. The weather's actually okay, which has meant that the parks are absolutely crazy. So because we've done like pretty much all the rides that we want to do, we thought that we would just sit, just take it all in and have a nice time. We've got a cheeky pie. Cheers guys! Cheers! We've got just enough time to fit in our two favourites before we need to go. 10 points to Hufflepuff, if you can guess which ones they are. Of course it's Phantom Manor and Pirates. And then it's time to try and get to the coach on time, which I think we'll have more than enough time to do. But very sad that it's our last time to go on this. Officially done our last ride in Disneyland. We managed to get onto Pirates one last time, and now it is time for us to go back to Hotel Santa Fe, collect our stuff and go and get the plane home.
And the irony is we're leaving as it's sunny.
I know, it's been raining all day and now it is like beautiful blue skies, but that's okay. It's been Disney, so it's fine if it rains. But off we go, back to reality.